What's up and welcome back to my channel. So as you can see from the title itself, I'm gonna be trying Shreya Jain's makeup tutorial. I'm gonna follow her tutorial and let's see how this turns out to be. I'm really excited for this. So I'm gonna be using my second phone over here, wherein I'll play the video and I'll try and follow the way she does her makeup. So let's begin.
Hi guys, so today I'm going to share with
Hello.
you how I got ready for the YTFF red carpet or the YouTube Fan Fest red carpet that just happened in Mumbai. I walked the red carpet as well.
Yes,
And
this
this
is
is the look that
her
I went
red
for. I went
carpet
for blown out
look
smoky eyes
she wore
with
for the
neutral tints and
YouTube Fan
highlighter
Fest.
scheme. I really liked how the look turned out, so obviously I had to share it with you all. So if you want to know how I got my red carpet look,
Okay, a small disclaimer, I'm going to be using the products which I personally own and I'll find a substitute for the shades that she's kind of using.
She started off with a moisturizer, plum moisturizer. I'm using this Himalaya moisturizer, and
and I massage this really well into the skin. This kept my skin hydrated all day long and did not dry my skin out. So if I'm just
okay, so she's massaging it first in the fingers and then
I'm applying it all over my lips. This is
okay, so
then
I'm
taking
using my
EOS lip
Oriflame
balm
lip
and I'm
balm.
applying it all over my lips. This is in the variant raspberry and I really like it. Then taking Color Bar primer,
So
I'm going to apply
taking
it
the
all
Blue
over my
Heaven primer.
applying it all over my
Rewinding the
lips. This is in the
video.
variant
She's going
raspberry
really fast.
and I really like it.
Primer.
Then taking Color Bar primer, I'm going to apply it all over my face again, making sure I massage the swing really well. And if you're wondering whom I was talking to, so Sonal and Devi.
Next, she's digging into her concealer. I'm using this Focalure concealer.
Erase a dark circle. Oof, that's a mouthful. I'm going to use it as a primer for my eyeshadow and just blend it in with the help of my fingers. Today I'm going to do my eyes first. So I'm just doing that. And the only palette I'm going to use
Wait. Okay, she
for my
blended
eyeshadow and
this
just
with
blend
her
it in with the help of my
fingers.
fingers. Today I'm going to do my eyes first.
Okay, this one as well. That's my concealer brush. So I'm gonna be using Makeup Revolution Fortune Favors the Brave palette. So I'll just remove this brush off from here. So she used a skin shade. So I'll use this one to set the concealer.
Blend way more easy.
I really don't know how this is gonna turn out to be. Okay, so I'll take this angled brush.
My crease, I'm going in windshield wiper as well as circular motions to blow out this eyeshadow. I want this to be a very soft transition and hence I'm making sure I take my sweet little time in having the perfect amount of color. It's all about adding the color and blending it out.
Okay, she's adding it here like so.
Clean blending brush and making
Oh,
sure that I have no
hold.
harsh edges.
She's done both her eyes. She's just adding and blending. She's giving it to her. Okay, so we do the other eye as well. Just adding and blending. Adding, blending. Oh, as well. I really look up to her. I feel this is enough.
Blending brush and making sure that I have no harsh edges. A lot of blend.
Okay, so I'm using the 224 for blending.
We don't want harsh edges, girl. No harsh edges. Okay, we are blended. Next.
All you need in life for a good smoky eye, so invest in your blending brushes. Then taking the black eyeshadow with a small shader brush, I'm going to pat this on my lid area. I'm not going to drag, I'm just going to pat to get max.
Okay, small shader brush like so. Take this one.
Color. So pat, and this is why I did my eyes first. I had truckloads of fallout, working with lag black and dark eyeshadows. So I'm just taking that brush again later when you're working with black and dark.
She didn't use. Okay. Okay.
With black and dark eyeshadows. So I'm just taking that brush again with which I use the brown, and I'm blending the black and brown together, making sure I have that soft transition blown out effect. Making sure I have that soft transition blown out effect.
Okay.
All
Next.
about adding and blending to get the perfect color. I also took the highlight shade.
Okay, so she's patting some more black.
But I was talking to them and like figuring out our dresses and purses and everything. It was really crazy, guys.
Okay,
so yes,
so she
I'm again adding in
keep on
more black. So as I
adding
said,
and
it's
keep
all
on
about
blending.
adding and blending to get the perfect
So
color. I also took the highlight shade,
first shade of
first
the
shade
palette, and applied it to my inner corners as well as below.
So I'll take this brush and
this palette and apply it to my inner corners as well as below my brow to just highlight my makeup. I realized I should have done my primer as well.
really, you should have done your primer later. Don't
Then I'm taking a
see
wet wipe and
any
I'm wiping off all of the fallout. At this point I realized I should have done my primer as well later, so I will reapply my primer anywho. Here I am just applying my primer only on the areas where I took off that
so
primer, and as you can see I got a really huge pimple on my cheek because I was having travel
pimples
anxiety.
are normal.
So I took infallible L'Oreal.
Wait,
Yes, here I am just applying my primer only on the areas where I took off that primer, and as you can see I got a really huge pimple on my cheek because I was having travel anxiety.
Okay, so I'm using
I took
my
infallible
Fit
L'Oreal
Me.
foundation, L'Oreal Infallible, and applied it on my face with the help of my fingers first. I tried my level best to cover this pimple, but it's okay, guys, it's natural to have pimples, and I walk the red carpet with it without any shame. So I'm just using a damp makeup sponge and making sure this foundation is all well nice blended. And I did go in for a second layer only because it was a red carpet event. Otherwise you can be good to go with just a single layer of this foundation.
She went in with
just a single layer of this foundation.
another coat.
Blending all of that out and reapplying another layer, and I will again just blend all of this out. I won't although however lie, I was really conscious of that pimple, but after one point I was just like, you know what, I'm
Yeah. Next.
but after one point I was just like, you know what, I'm here because of who I am and not because of this pimple. Then I'm taking that same concealer, I'm going to highlight my skin, I'm going to highlight it to the hill. So I'm just applying it under my...
I've never highlighted so much.
Between my brows, on the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, my chin, under where my contour is going to be placed, as well as above the arch of my eyebrow. And again,
Above the arch of her brow.
sponge is blending it out with the help of that same damp cosmetic sponge. Then I'm taking Anastasia's contour kit, and I'm going to take that banana powder and I'm going to set my under eyes as well as all of the concealed areas.
More brightening. I'm using
And I'm going to
this.
take that banana
She
powder
used
and I'm going
this
to
kind of banana
set
powder.
my under eyes as well as all of the concealed areas just to brighten them a tad bit more.
Brighten.
Looking so powdery at the moment.
Next up, I'm taking this contour
Cool
shape and I'm
tone
gonna
brown
contour
like
my
this
cheeks
one.
to cut those cheeks and make my face look that harsh. I also went on my jawline. Obviously, I had to go on.
She's not contouring her nose.
It doesn't look extremely harsh, which is including on
Skin shade powder I'm using.
Wanted nice and highlighted.
Okay, so I'm using my luminizer from this palette right here in the palm of your hand. So I'm not having that full-sized one.
Highlighted. I wanted nice and highlighted skin.
This is not fake. I love this highlighter.
Then at this point I realized my under eye bags were looking really bad, so I took Kryolan Supra Color, which is my skin shade, and I blended it out there. This made my eye bags look so much less visible. I'm so glad it did. And then I'm just repowdering my under eyes with that tiny area. Then I'm taking makeup application to one
just repowdering
and then I'm just repowdering
under
my
eye
under eyes
with this
that
powder.
tiny area.
Okay, so what is she doing next? Okay, blush stick I'm having in the top form. It's pink shade again.
Cheeks, all of the shades would be in the dark brush to blend this out so that it looks natural, that it looks blushy and things like that. Then I'm taking Pro Studio Fixing Spray by Freedom.
Okay, so
then I'm taking Pro
going
Studio
in with the
Spray by
fixing
Freedom
spray.
Cosmetics. I'm just gonna spray it all over my face to get rid of any excess powder and make makeup stay in place all night.
So next she applied these daisy
These are by
lashes.
Ardell. These are called
I'll
daisies,
apply
and
a
so
pair of these
lash
ones
glue.
which are not
And
much dramatic, and yeah, these will be off camera. I'm really sorry.
right now, like
So I'm back with my lashes on.
That's how I stick
Let's see
my
what she
eyelash,
does next.
pinching it with my real eyelashes.
These were those lashes. Okay, so the black eyeshadow.
Applying it on my lower lash line. I'm gonna do all my lower lash line. I'm not gonna just stay till the outer corners, and I'm gonna do complete lower lash line. Yes, smokiness is getting real.
Next,
Then taking that blender brush again with a little bit of
where's my
brown,
blender
I'm
brush?
gonna smoke the lower lash line.
Okay, a little with that brown. I'm supposed to blend this with the top. A little bit. Okay. So next,
Again, I'm just highlighting with that first shade of the palette.
to highlight the inner corner again. Okay.
The brow powder set, I guess.
Okay, I'm really scared to do my brows with that. She didn't brush them. I usually like brushing them. Okay. So now
The
palette.
Makeup Revolution product, that is the brow powder set, I guess. I'm just taking the dark brown one and filling the mid and the tail of my brows. I'm loving this new technique wherein I fill just the middle and the tail part with a darker shade, and a lighter shade goes on the front section of my eyebrows. I'm taking this taupey shade and applying it to the front section of my
Okay, so for the lipstick, I'm using Miss Claire in 13, and yeah, she's done. So guys, this is how the look turned out to be. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Let me know whether this look was a fail or a win for you guys, according to you. So this was me trying to recreate Shreya Jain's makeup tutorial. So I really like it though. The style wasn't the way I usually do, but it turned out really beautiful on that highlight though. And let me know in the comments down below whether you like this look or not, and tag Shreya so that she notices this as well. And I really hope you guys like this video. Please give me a big thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell icon right next to my name, The Trend Diaries. And yeah, I'll meet you guys soon in the next video. Subscribe.